Exterior caulking is easily one of the most common things that we see come up in home inspection reports. And all it does is create a lot of doubt in the quality of the home. Because one of the only ways that we can tell how bad an exterior has been compromised is to take it apart and look at it, which isn't exactly feasible. So let's just throw this one on your 3 to 5 year maintenance checklist and not worry about it. Huh? The theory is simple. When caulking starts to crack and otherwise fail, cut it away and replace it with one of these. Here's all the places you want to be focused on. Around your windows and doors are the most important. Any exterior lights and flagpole mounts should be caulked around where it meets the house. Also, any exterior vents, like for your dryer, should be on the list. Here's the last and most common place: all of the entry points for cables or plumbing. Save yourself the hassle of serious water damage. And when you sell your house, you'll save yourself a lot of headache in the inspection that your buyer has. Trust me. Thanks for watching, and check in on the next video where we talk about one of the most underrated ways to tell if something in your house is leaking. Might not be what you think. We'll see you then.